Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing something different. I'm not cycling, but I am in the garage. It's snowing out, and by chance I actually just received my new snowblower. It's the Ego snowblower. So this is their 24-inch model. It says it throws snow 50 feet, I guess depending on how you have that flap set up there. And these are the controls on the top. So over here, this one, it looks like it controls the drive, meaning how fast it goes forward. So there's a setting over here that you can adjust for that. And you can also adjust to the auger. This controls the actual flap over there, the chute. So if I adjust that, see, I can make that a little bit further down, further up. So we'll play with those settings and see what's good depending on the type of snow. And this is the actual, this is the auger. So when you actually squeeze this, with this pushed down, this will actually start the snowblower. The batteries end up going right over here. So I have two of those. They're actually upstairs right now on my Ego Nexus device. I actually bought this off of Amazon. I already had the battery, so I didn't need the battery and charger. So this is a closer view where it actually pulls up the snow. It's a two-stage. So you see there's actually LED lamps here, and there's LED lights over here as well. And there's like two stages on those lights. You can turn half of them on if you want. And they actually give you a little bit of a clearing stick in case something gets stuck on the inside. You don't want to stick your hands in there. These are the tires. They look nice and rugged. So I'm coming from a smaller electric snowblower, so I'm really hoping this does a really good job of throwing the snow. This is the box that it comes in. It's actually pretty easy. To open this, I actually cut open the top, and then I just sliced open just the side on one side, and literally I was able to assemble it right in the box. It was pretty easy. You have these screw and nuts over here, and you literally just put them on. Just literally, this just turns, and then you just tighten them. Very easy. As well as the chute, there was a single one right over here. Very easy assembly. Probably took me 10 minutes to put this together. Well, there's a little bit of snow on the ground, but I just figured I'd show you guys how each one of these tools work. So I have my Ego snowblower right over here, and we're about to use it. And I also have the Ego brush tool, which is really nice. So there's bristles at the end, and as you've seen, I've kind of cleaned this area off a little with the broom. It does a great job. This is the auger. Okay, so as you can see, there are lights on, where the handles are and on the lower section. So these are the tools. So what I'm going to do is, just to show this little section, I'm going to push this button down, hold down the power, literally walk it forward. Just have a single hand here. Okay, and you can control the direction. I really should have had it shooting this way, but I'm shooting with a single hand, so I wasn't able to do that. But if I back up, you can see it's done a good job clearing. And again, for all you watching this, I realize it's not deep snow, but it certainly has done a great job in the deeper snow. And I have this control over here, which if I control this, if you look, I can control the angle of the shoot and how far it actually shoots. This is the other cool tool, and I had mentioned earlier in the video, but as you can see, there are bristles at the end of this, and this is great for cleaning leftovers that the snowblower didn't get. I mean, it took most of the snow, but as you see, I just used this to clear off that. Let's see if I can do both filming at the same time. So this is the leftover. I just squeeze this button, and there's another trigger on the bottom. Power it on. Look at that. Nice. So I have this walkway too that I need to clear. It's not super deep. I could have taken my snow blower, but I figured this would be a great demo for this one. Power this guy on. Of course, just in time, putting a little bit of snow, but I cleared out a decent amount, so it's not so much to clear up later. But yeah, this was just with a single hand. If I used both hands on this, it would be so much easier. I actually have the larger capacity battery on here. So there it is. Here is kind of like the before and after. I actually clean the whole drive with a brush tool, and then of course, I don't know if you can see it, it's still flurrying a bit. I actually went through just to kind of show you a contrast, but this snow broom does an amazing job, and these tools are removable, so if you wanted to change this over in the summer to something else, you can, but that is pretty cool. All right, I decided it was pretty quick with these tools, so I decided to go for another round on cleaning the dust off the driveway. But the tools do a pretty good job. As you can see, my walkway is pretty clear other than that one little leftover streak. But yeah, pretty cool. Love these Ego tools. So, snowblower, it's thawing. Should actually wipe that off a little bit. And the batteries are charging. Batteries are charging right here. So this one's fully charged. Got my spare here. Of course, love the go-karts. It'd be tempting to take this out right now. Can't imagine how slippery that would be. Talk about drift mode. All right, well, that's all for now. Signing out.